let's start the video. Guys, as you can see, we have removed every stickers on our bike, so there is a reason. In the future we will wrap it, so you can see how it is looking. So there are some residues like these gum materials in it, so we will clean it with petrol. So after using petrol, this side has become good, and still this side the gum particles has been there, so we'll clean this up. So as you can see guys, the bike has been completely unwrapped with the stock stickers. So this is how the bike looks. Yeah, this also looks somewhat cool. It looks fully plain. So take a look of a bike. It looks very good from this position. Yeah, so the reason I have took this is because the sticker was not proper here, so I'm planning to do and wrap for this bike, so stay tuned for that. So please subscribe guys. I'm doing this and all for you guys to enjoy the video, so stay tuned. Cheers.